We are installing a trailer hitch today on this truck. Now, this is a trailer hitch I found in my yard, so my brother says that it's going to fit, so we're going to find out. That's the front of the truck, obviously. That's the back of the truck. This would be the passenger side. We're going for this slot right here. So it took some convincing, but you see there's a slotted hole there and holes there. Kind of holding it up with my leg here. And then we can kind of pop our bolt through there. And then we can kind of use these holes as guides to drill more holes. So no hole at all. Have to enlarge the hole. And that one was already good to go. Alright, 1/2 inch time. This is that slotted one. This is the second one we drilled, and then the third one we drilled here. Okay, so now all I have to do is wire brush all this crap and paint it, and then we can put this back in. You have no idea how bad I want to just do the whole damn thing, but we ain't got time for that. Alright, here we go for real. Getting windy. Alright, well we're done. We now have a trailer hitch, and as soon as I get my boat fixed, because the water pump's not working, we're gonna take it out. So hopefully this video was helpful or enjoyable to you. As usual, you be good while I'm gone, and I will see you next time. Have a good week.